Are you self-employed? Are you an independent contractor? Are you considering being one of the two and you're currently with an employer and you're weighing out the cost of health insurance? Well, guess what? You're in for a huge surprise, a huge shock. A couple things happen under an employer plan, right? First, they're factoring in the cost to get you insured when you negotiate your salary, when you negotiate your hourly pay, whatever it may be. They factor in the cost for health insurance. On top of that, they also give you a pretty good discount. So you're not going to actually see the actual cost for these plans, and they tend to be pretty high because they're inclusive. So they're group plans. They're not concerned about pre-existing conditions. You can have a cancer patient on one end and someone who's perfectly healthy, where you have a high cost there or a high risk and a low risk here, so they kind of even it out. And what employers do is they give you extremely high plans, and those are factored in, like I said, to your salary, and they're going to give you a huge discount, and then they're going to go take that tax benefit on the back end. So there are options for you. If you're just leaving an employer, they're going to offer you the Cobra plan. This is where you're going to find that sticker shock. You're going to find out the actual cost of that insurance plan. And depending on your particular situation, your age, your health, those could be outrageous compared to what's available out there on the markets. Now, there's obviously options. Everyone's heard of Obamacare. For as long as it's here, take advantage of it. But here is another scenario where if you're a profitable business, Obamacare can be extremely expensive as well, because it does cover pre-existing conditions. So it's covering people who are quote unquote unhealthy. So if you're unhealthy, that means you're going to be in a higher risk pool, and if you're healthy, you're going to be in the same risk pool as those people who might not be as fortunate to have the health that you have. So if that be the case, there are options. Now, you can qualify for what's called a income-based federal credit. We call them subsidies, where it will reduce your costs for health insurance with the Obamacare marketplace plans based on how much you make. It's very important to find out what those are. I can definitely help do that for you, or anyone can, but that's what I specialize in. But if you are profitable and you're healthy, there are extremely strong options available for you where you can get smart insurance options that are budget friendly, and it's full medical. So you can move forward through your life with the comfort of knowing that if something happens, you're covered. Now, that takes a lot of stress off of you, but most importantly, as a business owner, you can now deduct those costs on the first page of your of filling out your taxes. It's a full deduction, and you can get with the CPA. I can tell you that it can be done. A CPA can be a little bit more in depth on what happens, but me as an independent contractor, I experience those things. So if you're looking to learn what is available for you, if you want to get lower premiums, you want to get lower deductibles, it will be worth it for you to take the time out to actually evaluate your current situation and see what's available out there. If you're interested in doing that, make sure you contact me. Either way, like, love, share, subscribe, support the channel. I'll continue to come out with information to see if we can help build plans that make sense for your family, your budget, and get creative. Hey, thanks for taking the time out. This is My U.S. Health, Ian Saunders. Look forward to helping you, construct your financial future. Take care.